Our next question is from Miriam. Hi everyone, I've been using the estrogen progesterone cream for about 1 month now. The weight gain has stopped. Oh, that's great to hear. And I've noticed my symptoms of frozen shoulder have nearly cleared up after about a year of pain and limited mobility. I'm starting to feel better and energy has increased. Can a lot of joint pain be related to menopause? Please comment. Thank you.
Yeah, so joint pain is interesting because it's another one of these multifactorial things, but menopause certainly can increase inflammation. And we know that estrogen in particular and also progesterone are anti-inflammatories. So if there's a lot of joint inflammation and your hormones are low, replacing the hormones can work as an anti-inflammatory and really benefit your joint health. And so this is pretty common where women have joint pain. Sometimes other people kind of tell me all surprised, like, well, my hot flash is better, but like I'm surprised my joint pain got better. I didn't expect that. And so that is a benefit of hormone replacement therapy. Now, there are lots of reasons for joint pain that have nothing to do with your hormones. For instance, I've got a bad knee, and it's not because my estrogen levels are low. It's because I squat and deadlifted too heavy in the gym and kind of messed my knees up. So if I take estrogen, that's not going to help me. But there definitely is a component, of joint pain that can be relieved with hormone replacement therapy. So that's kind of a pretty common thing that you're experiencing.
I haven't heard that one yet with all of the symptoms. We actually have an ebook that talks about like there's 100+ symptoms of menopause, and I'll link that in the chat, but I haven't yet to hear that the one about joint pain.